And at this point, you might be saying, Matt, that's great, but how much is it actually possible to make in this niche? And I'm going to be showing you exactly how much some of these channels could potentially be making, and I think your mind is going to be blown. So with that being said, let's jump on here and look at another channel in the ASMR niche called ASMR Gaming News. Over 147,000 subscribers, and as you can see, they literally just talk about different gaming news in the gaming community, but they do it by whispering, and they literally just whisper their videos. So you could think about all the different niches that you could potentially do this in. You could do this talking about cars. You could do this talking about gaming. Think of a big niche on YouTube that hasn't been implemented with ASMR and do that as a channel. It'd be really unique and it stands out, and people actually watch these videos. It's absolutely crazy. And if we take a look at the Social Blade stats here, 1 million views a month on this channel. Absolutely crazy. They're getting 1 million views a month, and they literally just talk about different Fortnite news and other games, and they just whisper it. So they're literally just doing the videos. Like, you could do a channel about how to make money on YouTube and just whisper your videos. Here's another channel called Bright Gray ASMR. And as you can see, a lot of the videos on this channel, they don't even show their face, like this one. Literally just scratching the microphone. You could buy a cheap microphone like the Blue Yeti Nano for under $100 and make these types of videos yourself. But like I said, you can get other people as well, which I'll be showing you how to do in just a second. And this channel right here is getting 100,000 views a month just producing these simple videos. Here's another channel called Amuse ASMR. Most of their videos, as you can see, they don't even show their face. Here's another channel called Olive ASMR. Same types of videos, a lot of them not even showing their face, and they can potentially get a lot of views. 2 million views on this video right here. And here's another channel called ASMR Soap, and they literally just show different types of soap. And if we take a look at one of these videos right here, I'm actually really curious. They just take these soap and they shave it off and stuff, and I guess it makes a sound. And this channel is getting 3 million views a month. And you might be saying, Matt, that's great, 3 million views a month, but how much is the owner of this channel actually making from 3 million views a month? Well, as you can see, Social Blade also estimates how much money they could be making. And just so you understand, making money on YouTube consists of, first of all, getting into something called the YouTube Partner Program, which requires that you have 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers on your channel. And you might be saying, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, that's going to take forever. But in fact, you can actually do it a lot faster than you probably think. And I actually recently uploaded a video about how you can get monetized potentially in 30 days. So definitely check out that video after you're done watching this one. But once you join the YouTube Partner Program and YouTube puts ads on your videos, then you make money every single time someone watches an ad before your YouTube videos. I'm sure you've watched tons of different YouTube videos in which ads played before the videos. Heck, on this video right now, you might have seen an ad before the video. And every single time you watch an ad, the creator of that channel is actually making money. So how much is this channel making right here called ASMR Soap, where they literally just like shave soap and they cut the soap up? And I guess a lot of people like this. And this also ties into the satisfying video niche as well, which you might be familiar with too, in which they just do videos that are kind of satisfying to watch, like cutting up different things. And that's definitely a niche that we should get into on this channel as well, and one that you can explore as well. But taking a look right here, this channel could be making between $800 and $13,000 a month. And this is just from ad revenue. You could potentially make a lot more from alternative sources. However, this channel making between $800 and $13,000 a month. You might be saying that's a big variation. How much are they actually making? And by my experience in running channels in niches similar to this, I can tell you that if this channel is monetized, they're probably making around $5,000 to $10,000 a month just from ad revenue alone. And the amazing thing about this is, like I said, you don't even have to show your face, but also you can actually scale to running multiple different channels. And that's what this channel is doing right here. As you can see, if we go to their featured channel section right here, they have ASMR Soap Carving, Satisfying Slime ASMR, ASMR Bomba Slime, ASMR Soap Soul. They have all these different ASMR channels, and I can tell you that the person who runs this channel probably runs all of these channels as well. Channels that could potentially be making them money every single month. And for literally just cutting up soap, that's absolutely insane. Now, if you thought that channel was crazy, wait for the next channel that I'm about to show you. That channel that we just looked at was getting 3 million views a month. Now, this channel called Santagus, check this out. If we take a look at the Social Blade stats, getting 18 million views a month. Now, to put that in perspective, that means this channel could be making between $5,000 and $75,000 a month. So I would estimate they're probably making around $40,000 to $60,000 a month just from ad revenue. And wait till you see these videos. Videos in which people don't even show their face, and it's just satisfying sand videos. Like, you could literally just buy this type of kinetic sand off of Amazon, eBay, wherever, and make these types of videos super easily yourself, or better yet, get someone else to make the videos for you, which I'll show you how to do in just a second. But first, take a look at these videos right here. They're literally just shaving sand and like cutting sand up into a bunch of different pieces and mashing it together. And people find these videos satisfying, and they get a lot of views. And it also ties into the ASMR aspect right here, in which you can hear the sounds of cutting up all of this sand. And that's really what ASMR is. It ties more into the sound auditory aspect of these videos. And if you were to produce ASMR videos, you don't really even need videos at all either. And you don't need to show your face or anything like that. Here's another channel called Dr. T ASMR. And as you can see, this channel is also getting 2 million views a month. Here's another channel called ASMR Bakery, where they do these same types of ASMR videos, and this channel right here is getting 7.9 million views a month, making between $2,000 and $30,000 a month if they have ads on their channel. So I would estimate they're making anywhere from $15,000 to $25,000 a month just from ad revenue with these super simple videos. Here's another channel called ASMR Meg UK, and they make these same types of videos, a lot of eating videos and stuff like that. And if we take a look here at their Social Blade stats, almost 1 million views a month.